Put salt in these 7 places in your home and see what happens after. Today we're going to explore how salt, a common household item, can have surprising effects when placed in 7 specific sacred spots in your home. But what exactly happens when you put salt in these places? How can such a simple practice create such a powerful shift in your environment? Get ready to discover how these ancient methods can bring harmony, attract positive energy, financial miracles, help you eliminate debts, and solve daily annoyances. You'll learn how these ancient practices can transform your home into a sanctuary of peace and well-being. 1. Putting salt at the front door. Placing salt at your front door is a simple but powerful practice that can bring profound benefits to your life. When you place a small amount of salt near your main entrance, especially on the inside, it creates a barrier that blocks negative energy from entering your home while attracting positive energy. This ancient ritual may seem modest, but it can have a significant impact on the harmony and tranquility of your living space. Using salt in this way is not just about repelling bad energy. It's about inviting peace, prosperity, and positive vibrations into your home. To illustrate the power of this practice, let's consider a story from the Buddhist tradition. Once there was a humble monk who lived in a small village nestled in the mountains. The villagers often sought his wisdom because his life was a true reflection of mindfulness and inner peace. One day, a distressed farmer approached the monk, concerned about the constant misfortune and negative energy in his home. The monk listened patiently and then handed the farmer a small bag of salt, instructing him to sprinkle it by his front door. Skeptical but desperate, the farmer followed the advice. Over time, he noticed a notable transformation. The atmosphere in his home became lighter, his family's health improved, and prosperity flowed more freely. The simple act of placing salt at the door had shifted the energy in his home, aligning it with positive forces. If you consider adopting this practice, think about how you can cultivate positive energy in your own home. Have you ever noticed how some places feel more welcoming and peaceful than others? This often has to do with the subtle energies that inhabit those spaces. By placing salt at your front door, you actively participate in creating a harmonious environment. It's a reminder that even the simplest actions, done mindfully, can lead to profound changes. 2. Putting salt on your work desk. Placing a small bowl of salt on your work desk can attract wealth and positively influence your career. This practice isn't just about the salt itself, but what it symbolizes. Salt has long been revered for its purifying properties and its ability to ward off negative energies. By placing it on your desk, you invite positive energy into your workspace, creating a harmonious environment conducive to productivity and success. Have you ever noticed how a cluttered or negative space can affect your mood and work efficiency? This simple act can help shift that energy. Renowned Buddhist monk Thich Nhat Hanh once said, "Smile, breathe, and go slowly." This quote reminds us to be mindful in our actions, even in the small rituals we perform. By consciously placing salt on your desk, you're setting an intention for success and abundance. This act can serve as a daily reminder to stay focused and positive, even when challenges arise. Salt acts like a talisman, absorbing negative vibrations and clearing the way for new opportunities. You might wonder how something as simple as salt can make such a significant difference. In many spiritual practices, the power of intention is essential. When you place salt with a clear and focused mind, you're essentially programming your environment to support your goals. This practice is not about superstition, but about channeling the energy around you toward your aspirations. Think of salt as an element that stabilizes your intentions. Just as salt enhances the flavor of food, it can enhance the quality of energy in your workspace. The ritual of placing salt on your desk can be a moment of mindfulness in your daily routine, reminding you to stay centered and focused. This small act can have a ripple effect, influencing not only your work life, but your overall well-being. 3. Placing salt in the kitchen. Salt, a common household item, holds deep significance in Buddhist teachings. When placed in specific areas of your home, especially the kitchen, this practice symbolizes purity and protection while attracting positive energy. The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home, where meals are prepared and family gathers, making it a vital center for fostering warmth and positivity. By placing a bowl of salt in this area, you create a space that radiates harmonious vibrations and fosters a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. The natural properties of salt absorb negative energies and neutralize impurities, ensuring that the energy flow in your home remains balanced and positive. In today's fast-paced life where stress and chaos often dominate, creating a sanctuary in your home is crucial for well-being. The kitchen, a place of nourishment, becomes even more significant when infused with salt's protective and purifying properties. Integrating this ancient wisdom into your daily life not only enhances your home's energy, but also deepens your connection with mindfulness and intentional living. By placing a bowl of salt in the kitchen, you're not just following a tradition, you're actively creating a space that supports your overall well-being. Famous Buddhist sayings emphasize the importance of living in harmony with our environment. As the Buddha taught, peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. By consciously placing salt in your kitchen, you are taking a step toward creating a peaceful environment that reflects the tranquility you seek. 4. Putting salt in the bathroom. Have you ever wondered why some homes radiate positivity and peace? It's not just about decoration or cleanliness, but about the energy flowing within them. Placing salt in strategic corners of your home can lead to a transformation in its energy. The bathroom is one such crucial area for energetic cleansing. While it's where we cleanse our bodies, it can also harbor negative energies from our daily lives. By placing a container of salt in your bathroom, you help absorb these energies, purifying the space and bringing a fresh, revitalizing vibe to your home. But how can something as simple as salt have such power? When placed in the bathroom, salt expands the spiritual space of your home, diffusing negative energies and replacing them with positivity. This simple yet profound practice connects deeply with teachings of mindfulness and awareness, creating a sanctuary within your home where you can retreat and rejuvenate. The presence of salt acts as a silent guardian, constantly maintaining harmony and peace. Imagine waking up each morning and stepping into a bathroom that feels like a spa, not just because of its fresh scent, but because of the serene energy that surrounds you. Placing a container of salt transforms your routine, making each bath or shower a ritual of renewal and purification. This practice aligns with the fundamental Buddhist principle of living in harmony with your environment. 5. Placing salt under the doormat. Explore a fascinating Buddhist practice that promises to cleanse negative energy and provide protection for your home. Imagine entering your home and immediately feeling a sense of peace and tranquility. This can be achieved by placing salt under the doormat at your front entrance. Why salt? In Buddhism, salt has long been revered for its purifying qualities, It is believed to absorb negative energy and act as a protective barrier against misfortune. By sprinkling some salt under your doormat, you're not just seasoning your entryway, you're creating a shield that repels negative vibrations from outside. Reflect on the wisdom of Buddha, who said, "Just as a candle cannot burn without fire, man cannot live without a spiritual life." The act of placing salt at your door is a small but significant step toward cultivating your spiritual life and creating a sanctuary within your home. 6. Putting salt on your shoes. Have you heard of the Buddhist tradition of placing salt in your shoes? This ancient practice goes far beyond its use in the kitchen. Salt, recognized for its many uses, has significant spiritual and medicinal value. Elders often recommended salt for household tasks and health remedies, and modern research supports many of these traditional practices. Beyond its benefits for cooking and cleaning, salt purifies the spirit and wards off negative energies when placed in shoes, improving physical and mental well-being. In a Zen story, a humble monk placed a small amount of salt in his shoes each morning as a simple act symbolizing his commitment to purity and mindfulness. This story teaches us the value of incorporating small, mindful practices into our daily lives to maintain spiritual harmony. 7. Placing salt in the corners of your home. Placing salt in the corners of your home is a simple but powerful practice, deeply rooted in many ancient cultures. It's not just a superstition, but a method for cleansing your living space of negative energy, promoting tranquility, and inviting prosperity. By placing a bowl of salt in the corners, you create a protective barrier that absorbs negative emotions and ensures a harmonious environment. Salt has long been recognized for its purifying properties, both physically and spiritually. In Buddhism, it's believed to ward off evil spirits and protect against negative energy. Placing salt in the corners of your home essentially creates a spiritual shield, helping maintain the purity and positivity of your space. To enhance this practice, you can combine it with mindfulness techniques such as meditation or reciting positive affirmations. By incorporating these simple practices, you can transform your home into a sanctuary of peace, positivity, and prosperity. Remember, as Buddha wisely said, peace comes from within. By creating a harmonious environment inside your home, you take the first step toward achieving inner peace and fulfillment. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about how ancient Buddhist teachings can positively impact your life, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos filled with valuable knowledge and practical advice. May your home be filled with peace, prosperity, and positive energy. Thank you for watching until the end.